concludes on a D7. Okay. There's a little Mixolydian run there as well. Okay, so let's check it out. So we slide on with our ring finger. We're going to slide from D5 to D7. We bar both the G and the B on the 5th fret with our index finger. And then we have to slide to the 8th fret B, 9th fret G. So you slide, bar, lift, get ready, and slide down into position. And give a little bit of a vibrato there. So the second part is pull off from G7 to G5. Then go to D7. Then we pick G7 and 5 again. Back to the D7. Okay, and then we hit this F sharp note here on D4. Okay, and that's all part of the pentatonic scale, because that first lick that we just played is minor pentatonic lick, but it concludes on that sharp, which goes with that D7 that we're going to switch to right there. And then we have that Mixolydian run. That's a D Mixolydian scale right there. We play A5 to A7. Then we're going to play D4, 5, and 7. Then we do the same 4, 5, and 7 on a G. And then what I normally do here, I kind of slide with my ring finger at the end and give a nice vibrato. I guess you could use your pinky too, but I have more power in my ring finger, so that's what I do. And a nice vibrato. So that's lick 1. 1, 2, 3, 4.